I don't suggest
Getting down to their level.
Hey, we're having Miss Bella with us. There she is. Yeah. You're not gonna get the camera. No, you're not. I want to take a nice picture. There you go. Lily and Bella together. Playing, yes. With mommy. All three of them. Look at that. I got him. There you go. Now that I got a camera, they all disappear. Great. Yeah. Where'd you guys go? Come here. Bella, Lily. Come on, guys. There's Mo. Yeah.
Girl, good come,
There's
Bella.
Ginger. Yeah, Bella, I know. I got the thing. Yeah.
Look at. She still has her yellow toy. I just washed it, and she sleeps with it. Although she doesn't sleep in her crate except for during the day. She's up in the bed.
She is a cutie. Where's your stick? Where's your stick? Huh? Mo. Hey, no biting your sister. Come on. You be nice. Look at that.
Lily.
Oh, brother. Come on, Bella. Go after her. Yes, you can do it. Come on.
She runs to mama.
I know.
There you go. Yeah, get her. Bingo.
Bingo.
He's gonna tag team you.
That's not fair. You gotta
Video
play.
where he was sitting, and then you go, "Where is she?" And then Bingo gets up, and she like gets out from under her.
You'll be nice, Liliana. Come on. Your sister's here.
I like how
Really?
Bella's just not even doing anything.
Really?
Because she's so used to it. There were 8 weeks bugging your head. Come on. You can do it. Get after her. Come on. You can do it. Go after her. Watch it. Han, that's dangerous up that. Can you move that? Yeah, get closer to the garage. I just that white one piece up there is dangerous. Come on, girls. Come on, Belle. Come on, Belle. There you go. I made it. Yeah. What do you think, Sophie, huh? What do you think of Bella? Huh?
I was like, "Don't mess with Sophie."
No, she won't do nothing. She will, Sophie, she's just gonna let her know. Okay, I have you for 8 weeks, that's enough. Bingo's gonna go, I mean, Mo's gonna go. But Sophia, come on, Soph, come here, mommy. Come here.
Bells.
Come here, mommy. Come on,
Hey,
you're
look,
such a
Lily,
good
look
girl,
at
yes.
that slobber on
Slobber.
Lily's head.
Hey, get the slobber off Lily's head.
I think it's Bella. Oh, Bella.
Get the, oh, Bella, that's
Bella,
my
you're
camera.
gonna get in trouble.
And the camera is supposed to videotape you. Yeah, Liliana, come on. You be nice. You beating up on Pooh's sister. Come on. Go get her, Bella. Go get her. Go get her, Bella. Underneath.
She always wants to go after the
Yes.
ones she's like convinced that she's gonna get them
Oh,
all over.
yeah, you're gonna love me.
Where's
You're
your
gonna love me. You're gonna love me. Yeah, come on. Now, Bella, Lily has it.
Lily, come here.
Lily has it.
Where's your ball? Go get your ball. Where's your ball?
Bingo, no jumping up.
Let's go